For all you looking at the screen like, who the hell is this? Calm your nerves, man. All my NBA fans should know who this is, but for the people tuning in, man, who don't really check up on the NBA, this man right here is Josh Childress, and reports are telling me that he just inked a deal with the Denver Nuggets. Now, I know y'all probably like, why the hell are you reporting on this goddamn contract? But if you an NBA fan, if you know anything about basketball the last 10, 15 years, he's one of the mysterious players we got in the league, where he was a great player, but all of a sudden he just disappeared, you know. Got drafted by the Hawks. Nice, young, great talent. You know, we see him as a player who was going to have a long career in the NBA. You know what I'm saying? Just a long, probably not superstar talent, but guarantee he was going to be either a good role player or he was just going to be really a mid-tier, almost all-star player. Like, he had that potential. And he signed a big deal with Atlanta, but after his contract was up, he kind of just disappeared, and he really didn't disappear. People thought he was out the league. He actually made headlines by signing a deal over in China. I think it was one of the largest deals at that time, and he signed a larger deal at China, and a lot of people ridiculed him for picking the money. But if you watch the interview with him, he got a couple of interviews where he really breaks down the NBA contract, and he explains with the lifestyle that you want to live, and he goes on to explain how that $1 million is really not that much, and in the grand scheme, he breaks down some of the contracts, some of the guaranteed, non-guarantees. It really goes in depth with why he took that money in China. And a lot of people kind of we just forgot about him. Unless you probably seen, I think he punched a dude overseas in China. So if you've seen that video, you've been updated on him. But a lot of the regulars and everybody, really, we kind of forgot about him. But he's back in the NBA now. Now, he played in the Big 3 League this summer. He's one of the first players out the Big 3 League to sign. Y'all comment below, will this be a trend? I want to know, man. Do y'all think Big 3 will really start? Because I'm surprised. But I guess Ice Cube was right. You know, the Big 3, the NBA, they got eyes everywhere. So I know they're watching the Big 3 and the success it had. So I guess it's really giving a lot of players another shot at the NBA for us. It was just another look. You know, we heard rumors that Stephon Marbury, he want to do a comeback. So you never know, if he don't make it this year, we might see him in the Big 3 next summer, and that might help him get back in the league. So I just want to let y'all know, man, Josh Childress is back in the NBA. He reportedly signed a deal with the Nuggets. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, was this a good move, or should he should have stayed overseas and made that money overseas? It's your boy Sports Brotherhood. Stay tuned.